How many times have you been called into a job site and been expected to plug into a socket where you had absolutely no idea what was there? Happens every day, I'm sure. You might have a new piece of equipment you're installing. You might have an expensive IP camera. Maybe you have an expensive tester like our own real-world certifier, and you're plugging in, not knowing what to expect. This is the perfect time for me to introduce you to the new family Power Panel DVM. There are 4 members of the Power Panel. They all share the features of the entry-level model we call the standard model. When it comes up, it scans all 8 pins. And I'm not going to go in a lot of detail because we have individual videos on how they each work, but I just want to show you the highlights of it. You see it comes up, and initially it tells us right off the bat it sees a network device on 1, 2, and 3, 6, and it tells us it's a 10, 100 gigabit device, half and full duplex. We have a couple of buttons here where we can interact with the device. We can force link pulses to get it to talk, or we can press test PoE and pretend that we're a VoIP phone or an IP camera. We're going to move on to the standard unit that has the DSL feature added, also a single jack unit. All of the same features as the standard Power Panel DVM, but the ability to sense DSL. I'm going to plug in a DSL cable, and right off the bat it spots a phone. There's your central office voltage, and it says on the center pair the link icon lights indicating that it sees the digital signal. If you're an alarm company installer and you're worried that DSL lines might be affecting access to the central office at a customer site, this is an easy way to tell if DSL is on those lines. The third device I'd like to show you is our inline model. This is our most popular. The inline model has 2 jacks. 2 jacks allows you to go in between the device that's providing the power and the device that's using the power. If you install IP cameras or VoIP phones, this is designed for you, mainly because not only can you test the device while it is being powered, but you can monitor power draw. And power draw is the #1 reason why these networks fail. The 4th item is the inline version with 2 jacks, but we add a tone probe. To learn more about each of these models, please see their individual videos.